Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your Vinted username step by step. I'll be doing this on the web version, but the process is similar on the app. Before we start, you'll want to have 3 username options ready. Open Vinted and use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in your first choice username, then select the Members filter option to check if it's available. If you see someone's profile come up, that username is taken. If no results appear, it's free. Do this for 3 different usernames and rank them by preference. Vinted will pick one from your list. Now let's submit the request. In your browser, go to vinted.com/help. Once the Help Center loads, click on My Account and Settings. Next, scroll down the left side until you see Profile Details and click that. You'll see a list of profile-related topics. Find the one that says Changing Your Username and click it. This brings up the Guidelines page. Scroll to the bottom of that page and click the Contact Us button. A support request form will appear. Fill in your current username and account details first. Then add your reason for the change. Things like your username containing your full name or date of birth are valid reasons. Below that, list your 3 username options in order of preference. Make sure you rank them 1, 2, 3. Once the form is complete, click the button to submit your request for review. You'll see a confirmation message, and the support team will get back to you. Keep in mind, you can only change your username once every 30 days. And you can't have any active orders as a buyer or seller when you submit the request. Once the change goes through, you'll need to use your new username or email to log in. If you sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, that login method won't be affected. Your followers and the people you follow will stay the same. Your old username disappears, and you won't be able to claim it back if someone else takes it. And there we go, username change request submitted. Thanks for watching. See you next time.